Life is moving at a fast pace. Technology evolving, moments flashing by at the speed of light. Balancing home and work has become a challenge. What if there was a way to bring work and home together, making life interactions easier and more enjoyable, no matter where you are or what device you're on, so you don't have to miss a beat? Introducing Hello.
People love to build things together, but with innovation and technology happening so quickly, current apps, devices, collaboration and communication tools are disconnected, resulting in redundant work, wasted time, and frustration. We knew there was a better way to do this, so we built something to change that. Hello brings productivity to the modern age of technology by bridging cross-platform connectivity and creating a productive space where work and home can coexist together.
Hello is inexpensive and easy to use. Simply open the box and plug it in to any TV via HDMI. Then use the Hello app to scan the QR code to the Hello camera, and it begins to work instantly. Hello is engineered with 4 smart microphones, a 4K video sensor, and tilting lens, all working together to guarantee that everyone in the room is seen and heard clearly. With built-in wireless connection, Hello transforms any television into an all-in-one collaboration and video conferencing platform. Controlled by voice command, you can communicate with it easily. You can join a video conference call from any device and transfer it to Hello with a simple swipe.
Hello team.
Complete your conference call by adding in coworkers, even from around the world.
Hi guys! Hi LA, hi UK!
Or join the meeting directly by simply calling from one Hello to another. Use Hello to wirelessly share any file from any device.
This is the Eiffel Tower.
Even share moments with your loved ones using Hello at home. Hello lets you broadcast your work or life events to any single person or globally through the Collaborate platform, where users can engage, like, and share. Hello can even help you keep an eye on your home when you're not there.
Daisy, drop it. Good girl. Okay, go play.
Or even monitor your kids.
Hello Indiegogo, we are Onion. As makers, we use development boards to build all sorts of cool stuff. But most development boards on the market fell short of our expectations. They're bulky, confusing to set up, and overcomplicated. We usually spend far more time reading the documentation than actually using them to build things. Today, we're changing that. Say hello to the Omega 2, the world's simplest development board. The Omega 2 is tiny. At less than a quarter of the size of your credit card, it can easily fit into any project. But don't be fooled by its size. The Omega 2 is powerful. It is a full Linux computer. That's right. This tiny purple thing runs the same operating system that powers some of the world's most mission-critical infrastructure. The Omega 2 works out of the box. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and onboard storage, so it comes to life the moment you power it on. The Omega 2 is familiar. You control it with apps just like your regular computer. We even have an app store so you can discover apps created by the community. The Omega 2 is easy to program. In fact, you don't even have to write any code. It supports Node-RED, a graphical tool that you can use to create programs by simple drag and drop. But if you are into writing code, the Omega 2 supports many programming languages. Pick one you're already familiar with and start building. The Omega 2 is cloud connected, so you can remote control it securely from anywhere in the world. The Omega 2 is expandable. We have created many plug-and-play expansions, so adding new features to your project will look something like this. The Omega 2 is affordable, starting at only $5. Yep, 5. It is cheaper than this Frappuccino. We want to lower the barrier to entry so everyone can join the maker movement. So you see guys, the problem is that the tools for building amazing hardware are just not accessible for everyone. And that is why here at Onion, we have worked so hard to make the Omega 2 really easy to use. But we need your help to make it affordable as well. So please back our campaign and tell all your friends. We can't wait to see what amazing things you'll come up with. Thank you.
This is Fret Zeppelin. Fret Zeppelin is a state-of-the-art LED addition to your guitar. It fits just above the frets and shows you exactly where to put your fingers to play anything you can imagine. Let's take a look at how learning to play guitar usually turns out. You head to your local music store and pick out a guitar. It's beautiful. You love it and you couldn't be more excited to get started. You get home and immediately try to play something. You're prepared. You have your books, tablature, online videos, websites, everything. Or so it seems. After hours of dedicated attention, the frustration sets in. You've done everything right. What's wrong? The problem is simple. Human nature. You naturally want to be shown exactly what to do. So that's what we did. Add a Fret Zeppelin to your guitar and it shows you exactly where to put your fingers, so all you have to do is strum or pick. It cannot be any simpler. Use the smartphone app to select what you'd like to play and you're instantly ready to rock. You can display chords, notes, scales in any key, and of course, any light show you can imagine for those fun times. Or use AI mode to have the next finger location displayed automatically after you strum. LED technology has only recently progressed enough to make Fret Zeppelin possible. Fret Zeppelin is only half the height of your guitar's frets. That means there will be absolutely no interference with the strings or your hand as you play. Fret Zeppelin was engineered with musicians in mind. You pick the playing style and Fret Zeppelin teaches you. The connections between each fret are on the top side of the guitar where your hand doesn't slide. But even if you get into some advanced playing techniques, the sleek coating seamlessly aligns with your guitar neck so it isn't noticed. Fret Zeppelin lets you learn guitar fast and intuitively. Whether you're a first-time player or experienced, Fret Zeppelin works for anyone with any guitar.
How do you learn about robotics?
Well, the best way is with a robot. We'd like to introduce you to Marty, a fully programmable and customizable walking robot. For kids, for makers, and for educators.
Marty's not your standard smart toy. He's designed by roboticists to be a real robot that you can do some really cool stuff with.
While being as fun as a toy. You can use Marty to learn about robotics, programming, electronics, and mechanics. Or you can build your own stuff with a walking robot that will hold a Raspberry Pi, and which you can customize with 3D printed parts.
Marty's not like other walking robots. His unique 3-motor and spring leg design lowers costs, but also makes him easier to use and his battery lasts longer.
He can walk, turn, kick a ball, and of course do funky dances. Marty is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can remote control or program him from your phone or computer.
You can also download apps or games other users have made from our Robot App Store.
Marty lets you learn real programming on a real robot. Start off with Scratch, where the coding is as simple as clicking and dragging blocks. You can make a dance routine or start interacting with the environment.
When you're ready, you can move into Python, a powerful but easy to use programming language.
But robotics is way more than just programming. Marty lets you learn about all kinds of things. Motor control, balance, sensors, mechanical design, and more.
Marty